Suppose we have vectors v and w in the xy plane, which can be represented using the following components. Well, the cross product between these vectors can be calculated using the determinant of a matrix. So in the first row, we write the unit direction vectors. And in the subsequent rows, we'll write the components of vectors v and w. So expanding out the determinant, we have each unit vector multiplied by the determinant of the minor matrix, which consists of the elements in the other columns. And then we have minus the vector j by the determinant of the minor matrix in the other columns. And then plus k by the determinant of the minor matrix in the other two columns. So the determinants are calculated by multiplying these two elements and then subtracting the product of these two elements. And that's done for every matrix, which gives the following result. So therefore these terms are all 0, and the resulting vector r is as follows. So it only has a component that's perpendicular to both vectors v and w, so it must point in a z direction.